what we're gonna get into today. I talk to you about the 360 setup that I use to make videos like trying to get moving. So this is it. GoPro MAX. It's a 360 camera. Has 2 lenses, shoot overlapping 190 degrees. So this is the tripod suction cup that I use, along with the camera goes on the back. These all adjust different lengths. And then the camera actually goes right in here. Everybody's got a race car. Sits up here, shooting full 360 degree view of the back. Delkin devices, the Fat Gecko. It's got 3 adjustable suction cups, all adjusting any way you want. I actually added the hose clamp. It's the stability of locking this one down so the camera doesn't move down farther, but you can bring it up any way you want. That is, you can actually put it up on the windshield. I use it up in there, so it's like 360 dash cam. That's kind of footage like and then you can put it anywhere else. And it just makes for some awesome footage, almost kind of like a drone and stuff. Hope you enjoyed a little easy deal on that. So thanks, subscribe, see you.